Hey, good morning, Coach Callaway and Cody Ghost. Hey, good morning, Cody. All right, so here's your morning motivation for this morning. What separates you from everybody else in this world? What's going to, elevate you to greater levels of success? And here is the absolute key to it. It's what you do in private. It's what you do when no one is looking. It's what you do behind closed doors that's going to lift you up and elevate you to greater levels of success in your life. It's just that simple. So many people like to, put on a show out in front of people, but what do they do behind closed doors? What are they doing when, it's late at night and there's just no one watching or no one holding them accountable? Are they, improving themselves? Are they seeking self-development, self-growth? Are they working on themselves? Are they trying to increase their skills? Are they, putting in the private work? Or are they just putting on a show out in public? And I can tell you right now, in my life personally, I look back on my 40 years of, ever since I was a young teenager, and I look at when the world was telling me I wasn't going to be successful, when I had high school teachers telling me I was going to be a loser, when no one looked at me as, someone that would reach the level of success that I've reached in my life. It was what I was doing, in my room, behind closed doors, when I was listening to tapes and I was reading books and I was trying to improve myself and develop my, confidence in myself, and self-improvement was a priority to me. And man, I just kept believing in myself and I kept educating myself. I call it self-education. Are you self-educating yourself behind closed doors? Are you working on yourself? Are you trying to develop a skill? Are you building your confidence and your belief in yourself? Because that is what's going to matter. That's the separator in life. It's simply just the facts. But man, I hope that encourages you. Don't waste your valuable time. When you have private time, do something that's going to improve your life and improve your skills. And that is going to translate into a better public performance. And when you improve a better public performance, you become more valuable, and then your success will increase. That's the key. Man, work on yourself. Get better every day. Be better tomorrow than you are today. Should be your motto. Write that down. I'm going to be better tomorrow than I am today, and do something about it. All right. Hope that motivation moves you today. As always, make plays, not excuses, and go be elite. We'll talk to you again soon. God bless.
Hey, Coach Callaway here. Am I looking for you? I need 5 motivated, success-minded people to contact me who would love to earn significant money working part-time with us here at CoachCallaway.com. It's truly a tremendous opportunity for you to earn real money, doing something you feel good about, and bringing value and opportunity not only to your life, but to the lives of others. Contact me today for a brief conversation. You can direct message me and DM me right here on this social media platform, or email me at coach@coachcallaway.com. That's coach@coachcallaway.com.